aren't building or maintaining appliances or food and beverage equipment, where the lubricant may have incidental contact with food, you need to use a specially approved lubricant. International Products Corporation has two of the best specially formulated lubricants for these incidental food contact assembly applications: P-80 Emulsion IFC and P-80 Thicks IFC. Both of these lubricants meet the FDA 21 CFR 178.3570 and are H1 registered with the NSF. These IFC formulas significantly reduce the force required for part assembly. They help install hoses, O-rings, seals, grommets, and other rubber and soft plastic parts. Their unique temporary formulas provide a tight fit once dry. P-80 Emulsion IFC has a viscosity similar to milk, while P-80 Thicks IFC is a thixotropic gel. Both can be used in automated systems or manually by dip, brush, or spray techniques. P-80 Thicks IFC is ideal for vertical or overhead operations. Whether you are assembling dishwashers, ice makers, refrigerators, water pumps, or other food and beverage equipment, you can benefit from the use of P-80 IFC lubricants. Call or email us to talk with a technical lubricant expert or to request a free P-80 IFC sample pack.